Yeah, so my brothers and sisters, I'm getting like really good responses from people. My WhatsApp is very busy at the moment. You might find delays. I might, answer you in a while, after a while, because my WhatsApp is busy. So thanks to people who are responding positively to my videos. So thanks a lot, guys. Keep liking, sharing, and subscribing. Support, guys. So a lot of people are asking about the nickname Lucifer. So I kind of got that from friends and clients. So usually when I when I post my videos and everything on WhatsApp, so people started giving me the nickname Lucifer. So I don't have a problem with that because it was also part of my research trying to find out what's happening in that world. So what I find out is there's a lot of secrets, there's a lot of conspiracies, a lot is created just to, colonize certain people. A lot is just done to colonize people. There's no truth in it. You follow it, you don't find anything. So I'm motivating. I'm liking the name because I just want to say, guys, let's stop looking at people negatively. Let's start looking at people positively. Let's start picking up the positive in people, because usually when we do that, the good in people, the best in people come out, and people become great people in life. So let's stop focusing on the negative. Let's focus on the positive in people. And that's when we're going to start making change in this world. So the spiritual side of things is exactly what I'm talking about. My sister, my brother, my father, my mother, my grandmom, come to me. Let's talk spiritually. Let's talk about life from the beginning to wherever life takes us. Let's talk about life. Let's talk about the things of life, So when I specify spiritually and traditionally, that's what I'm talking about. Let's sit down, let's talk about life. Let's talk about life generally. A lot of people, guys, I've noticed a lot of people carry a lot of weight in their life. I've been there, I've done that, I've gone through crazy things in my life. I'm going to talk about a lot of that in the future. Just look out for the videos, they'll be coming. I'm going to talk a lot about that. I'm going to talk about my past, where I've been. It's been a long journey. This road I'm in right now took about 8 years. It took about 8 years. It was very hard to accept. When someone tells you you have to accept spirituality, you get shaken, you get scared. You don't want to talk about it. You try avoiding it for years. And when you finally do, it's because you don't have a choice, and I don't think we need to wait for that. We need to start changing the view people have about spirituality. Let's try and modernize it now. Let's try and bring it to young people, because if we don't do that, we're going to lose who we are. We're going to lose where we come from. So that's my plan. I want to bring it to the people. I want to bring it to the modern world. I want to bring it to the modern world and make people accept it. Make people feel more comfortable in accepting it. And I know there's a lot of things that we cannot change in it, but I think we can really look at the whole thing. We can really look at everything and look at the major things that need to take place. So people, stop putting so much weight in yourself. What's the use of living life? Torturing yourself so hard. When you don't even know when your last days are. I think it doesn't make sense. The least you can do is be happy spiritually, physically, and mentally. Because when those things break down, trust me, you're not going to get anywhere. You're not going to get to wherever you want to go. But you got to always appreciate the fact that, you're one of the chosen. God placed you in this world, giving you a chance, that a very few have, a very few wish to have, you know. So when you come to this world, you come, you know, naked, without anything. But as soon as you're here, you think you have to kill yourself, you have to die because someone took something from you. Look, every material thing remains in this world. You find it here, you leave it here. You need to be alive spiritually. Buffet, so let's start focusing on our spiritual side, you know. When your spiritual side is alive in you, when you focus on that, very little, guys, that we tend to throw ourselves in drugs and alcohol and everything. I've been there, I've done that, I've seen the worst, you know. There were times I've been in hospital, you know, in a hospital bed because I entertained so much of that life. But as soon as everything changed, guys, I knew what was right from wrong, because when you start, you know, bringing your spiritual person alive, you understand and you see the importance of life. Everything else, guys, is just material. None of this is true. The day you go, you're gonna go the way you came, you know. You come to this world naked. You're gonna leave this world without anything. But what you'll have is your spirit. Your spirit needs to be alive wherever it's going. If you can't do it here, there's a little chance you can do it in the next world. So, guys, come, let's talk. Bring your child. Let me talk to them. I do one-on-ones. I go one-on-ones with people. I take counseling with people. I sit down. I make them see things, you know, people forget and appreciate, you know. It's time that our youth, you know, stand up and fight for African people and fight for us, you know, and fight for our culture. Because if we don't do something now, guys, it's going to vanish. It's going to go away. Our children will never know about it, and our journey will just be a failure. Our lives will be a failure. Our history will be a failure, because all we're doing is lose things, is lose the important things in life. Let's try and change that. Let's try and do something about it, you know. So call me, guys, call me. Make sure you call me and send those people. Let's have one-on-ones. Let's sit down wherever you'll be comfortable and talk about life. We're not committing to a lot of things. We just, you know, re-looking life, you know, from where you stand. Usually what you think is so important is not so important. What you think is so hard in life is not so hard. It's your choice. You made those choices. You know, you choose to torture yourself because you want to take on everything in life. You can't do it. You can't do it alone. You can't, guys. You can't. You need to let some things go in life so that you can fix yourself first. You can't sell anything to people if you are not fixed first. So fix yourself, organize yourself first. You come first, because, guys, you came alone, you're going to go alone. I'm not saying don't love the people, but you gotta fix yourself first, you know. You gotta be physically, mentally, spiritually capable of doing things in order to make changes in life. Let's not hold people for doing favors for them and end up deciding to kill them or do stupid things to them. You don't own anyone. No one owns you too. So let's stop doing that stupid thing. You know, I think it's really stupid. Stop doing it. So, guys, I'm going to keep talking to you. Just look out for more videos. Yeah, man, let's like and share these videos, and I'm expecting people's calls. Please respond. Thanks for those who are responding. Guys, anyone, there's no choice of culture. Anyone can get help here. Thank you.